All right, so we're going to do a water test day. We don't have a hose, so we're going to use the diesel, but it's never been used. The diesel tank, a spare tank, and I think it's 2 gallon. And then we're going to run all of the pieces, the sink and the drain, see if we've got any leaks. First time, so wish me luck. I'm going to check the inside. You can see if we've got leaks. All right, water's coming down, filling up. A good check is that the gauge is working. Fresh water, 19%. And then if we go to levels, 7 gallons so far out of 36. The water pump, and the button for that is right here. Turn the electricity on. Pump is super quiet, that's lovely. Let's see if it's louder out here. Oh, I can hear some water moving. I can see it going around. I got no leaks there. Oh, actually, I see some water. So as you can see, we've had a leak. We've taken apart absolutely everything. If you wanted to know what the water bench looked like from inside. Ta-da! Now, what I reckon it was that this 4-inch PEX-A shark bite is an expansion, and we're using an expansion set, which means we need the couplings to expand. So what I did was when I put that in the tank, I said, I'll use a Jubilee clip. In America, they are called clamp nut. No, so whatever this is. I used this on top of the 4-inch, and that's about how good it worked. And it was a slow leak, and we watched it overnight. So what I've done now, I've put in an expansion 4-inch, and I think we're going to be fine. Once we ran everything, all the connections seemed fine. One was leaking down here, the outlet. We tightened it and it's fine, but now it feels like it's coming from under the tank. Yeah, we're going to have to take the tank out and have a look at the base. We thought we fixed the leak. So redid all the connections, PEX-A expansion, Jubilee inlet, Jubilee outlet, and drain. Took it out, ran it with some water, absolutely fine. Then put it back in, and we're seeing pooling of water around the base. So yeah, I'm going to take it out again. Having a bit of lunch, fixed the problem. It was that outlet connection. It was so small that where you put your finger on it, you couldn't feel it, but it was a slow leak. So we're celebrating.